We got our first MCI bus showing up here on the property. We're gonna put them right on the pad. It's been raining all night and all day. It just stopped. Hopefully that won't be an issue. I just drove my car up on the pad and the tires didn't squish anywhere, which obviously my car weighs a tenth of what that does. Should be coming around the corner here any second. I just saw him go by the road. I see a bus. There it is. Let me get out of it right here. Good. This is inside the 1968 MCI. It's a 5A. You said you were cruising today, what, 70 what? 75? 76 miles an hour it goes?
76. 76 max.
Got a couple rooftop airs. Real nice galley, kitchen, breakfast area, stove, fridge, microwave. What'd you say, 11 or 10 kilowatt generator?
12.
12. A bathroom, toilet and shower. Shower's behind this door here. Another roof air there, and then bedroom. Big closets on each side in the back there, and then another closet here, and another closet here. Super clean bus.
Still eating this air up.
Yeah. There's this bus down on the pad. So we're going to be doing a few things to it tomorrow. The right rear wheel seal is leaking, so we're going to replace that. He wants to learn how to run the rack on it, so we're going to go through and show him how to do that. And then he just had his oil change yesterday, but he used 15W40. And since it's an 8V71, we're going to put Dello 100 in there. So the local O'Reilly's here in town ordered it in. It'll be in it first thing in the morning. And we're going to change the oil in it again and put straight 40 weight in there, the Dello 100 instead of the 15W40 that should not be in there. So just a couple little things, shouldn't be too bad. Right rear wheel seal, running the rack, oil change. He's having some trouble with his generator when he got here. It had cut out, it wasn't running. Didn't want to start, wasn't firing at all. Used a little ether on it and it started right up, which is really weird because the engine was super hot. Like I couldn't even touch the dipstick to check the oil on it. So not really sure what was going on there, but it started up and it's been running ever since. I did give him a new fuel filter. He had problems with his regular fuel filter, had plugged up on the engine because it's been sitting for a long time. So possibly the fuel filter on there is a little plugged. So I gave him another one. If he needs it, he can change it, but I didn't want to shut it off because it was pretty hot and humid. And this way him and his dog have air conditioning going in there. So. But it's a real nice bus. Looking forward to getting into it tomorrow. Let's give you guys a quick update on Kelly's garden. It's growing like crazy. That's yellow squash. Already got the blooms going on in there. This is what's bizarre. How much more fertile the dirt is in here compared to here. See those little things there? Those are yellow squash, same as this. Planted from the same seed pack on the same day. Oh, that is insane. Crazy, crazy. This one's not doing so good. We've been putting some Miracle Grow in there. I need to go get some more of it. Just different dirt.
Up his tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in on Lenny the Silver Sides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 47 Hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. See that 4104 with the propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows them Detroits, there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue Silver Sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Now he's moved his family to the hills of Tennessee. Watch that bus grease monkey make his home, bringing buses back to life with the help of his dear wife. Watch that bus grease monkey get it done. Well, he travels town to town looking on them old greyhounds. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in old Lenny the Silver Sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?